Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Ramya Devi, working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to share a small article regarding displaying XML documents in browsers. So that is a template based transformation called XSLT. So here this is the template based transformation XSLT. It is a software for performing an XSLT transformation, such as JAXP is known as an XSLT processor. Here first we will give an input XML document into an XSLT processor, and then XSLT document is also loaded into that XSLT processor and it will process the XSLT document. So XSLT processor has two inputs like XML document and then the XSLT document. So XML document is a plain text document which contains only the data, and it has been stored by a web browser, and then it is retrieved by using the XSLT transformation. An XSLT document contains the template match for how the data in the XML document is to be retrieved, and both have been sent to the XSLT processor, and then again we will get an output as an XML document. So the XSLT processing consists of, it construct the input trees, initialize empty result tree, search source tree for a node that is matched by a template rule, that is a node that is contained in the node list represented by the pattern of some template rule, and instantiate the template of the matching template rule in the result tree. Context node for XPath expressions is match node. So this is the construction of result tree from template instantiation, and this is a message source tree, and then it has been transformed to the result tree like HTML head, title, and then body p paragraph, and then its text. So this is the construction of a result tree from a template initiation. So first we will have an XML document, and then we have a template match, and then that message has been, that is a source, and then it has been gone into an XSLT processing, and after that XSLT processor will transform your source tree into a result tree like HTML head, title, body p and text. So this is the recursive construction of result tree. So first we have an RSS channel, and then the title item, and again the title has been stored, that is a source tree, and the result tree would be HTML which is divided into head and body, and head in which we have title, and body in which H1 and U1, and the U1 we have the list. And this is the displaying XML documents in browsers. So web browsers also offer various levels of support for XML processing. First, there is a standard mechanism for associating style information, either CSS or XSLT, with XML documents via an XML processing instructions. A processing instruction is a special XML tag that has a syntax similar to that of an XML declaration. So the tag begins with the greater than symbol question mark and ends with the question mark lesser than symbol. So this is used for displaying the XML documents in browsers. So web browsers also offer various levels of support for XML processing, and also a standard mechanism for associating the styling information. So this is an example of a style sheet processing instruction. For example, this is an XML plain text which contains a message called hello world. So in which that XSL style sheet has been stored in the hello world.xsl, and then the XML version is 1, and the encoding type is UTF-8. And this is the XML document can contain the processing instructions. For example, hello world.css. So CSS is cascading style sheet in which the style elements is used for styling your XML document. Like the message which has been given as hello world, it should be displayed in a block, and it should have a margin for 8 pixel, and the font weight should be bolder for it. So that CSS information, hello world.css, is stored in the hello world.css for that styling information, and then in that styling information we have only the three properties called display, margin and font weight, in which the properties has the values which has been already assigned to it, and the coming down is an XML version, the XML plain text document. Here the XML contains only two attributes like version and then the encoding. So the version here is mostly 1.0, and the encoding technique is UTF-8, and then the hello world style CSS, the style sheet of this XML has been stored in the hello world.css, so that the hello world.css is referred, so that in which the message which contains in the XML document like hello world will be displayed as block, and then the margin will be displayed for 8 pixel and the font weight will be bolder. Thank you.